In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center text in the middle of the page in Microsoft Word. This is perfect for cover pages, certificates, title sheets, or anytime you want your content to sit neatly in the exact center of the page, top to bottom, not just left to right. Start by opening your document in Word. Make sure your cursor is in the area or section you want to affect. Now, look at the ribbon across the top and go to the Layout tab. Depending on your version, this tab may be called Page Layout, but you're looking for the section that controls page setup. Next, find the Margins button in the Page Setup group and click it. You'll see a list of preset margins, but we're heading to the option at the very bottom. Click Custom Margins. This opens the Page Setup dialog, where we can access more precise controls. Inside the Page Setup window, switch to the Layout tab. This is different from the main ribbon tab you clicked earlier. Here, you're inside a dialog with its own set of options. In the Layout tab, locate the Vertical Alignment menu. Open that menu and choose Center. This tells Word to center the content vertically on the page, creating equal space above and below your text. The moment you confirm the dialog, Word will reposition your content so it sits exactly in the vertical middle of the page. This is different from the standard paragraph center alignment, which only centers text horizontally across the line. Vertical alignment affects the full page layout, so any content that was previously near the top will move down to balance the space evenly. A few helpful notes as you use this. Vertical alignment works at the section level. That means the setting applies to the current section of your document or the entire document, depending on how your file is structured. If you're working with multiple sections, make sure you're in the right one before changing the setting. Also, if you ever need to go back to normal, return to the same Layout tab in Page Setup and switch vertical alignment back to top. If your content doesn't look quite centered, check for extra empty paragraphs at the top or bottom of the page. Removing those can help the layout look cleaner. And if you need horizontal centering as well, use the standard center alignment for your text in the Home tab, in addition to the vertical centering you just set. That's it. Your text is now centered perfectly in the middle of the page in Microsoft Word.